In this video, we're going to show you how to replace your fog light bracket on your Subaru Crosstrek. This is located in the front of the vehicle, behind the bumper. Let's get started. To get to our fog light bulb, we're going to start by removing a portion of the fender liner, just so that we can fold it out of the way. Using a set of clip pliers, we'll remove the plastic clips. You can use a flathead screwdriver if you don't have clip pliers. We'll remove the 10mm screw. We'll pull down on the front portion of the fender liner. I'm going to support it up in the wheel well with a bungee cord. To remove the connector from the bulb, press in on the tab. It helps to push in on the connector while you do this. Then pull out. We'll remove the clips. I'm using a pair of clip pliers, but you can use a flathead screwdriver. This clip is installed downwards. We can get it out by pushing up on the center. I'm going to just use a 1/2-inch extension. We'll remove the 10mm bolt. We can remove our bracket. We'll remove the 10mm bolt, holding the fog light into the bracket. Fog light has 2 tabs. It'll slide right out. Now we can install the fog light into the new bracket. Slide the tabs in and install your 10mm. Now we can install this in the car. Now we can install our fog light back in the car with its new bracket. You want to make sure that this tab goes on the underside of the bracket. We can reinstall our 10mm bolt. Before you fully tighten the bolt, install your plastic clips. To install the plastic clips, have the center popped up halfway, then push it in. With your plastic clips in, tighten down your 10mm bolt. Be cautious not to over-tighten this. Install your connector. You want to hear a click. It's a good idea to check the function of the light before you reinstall your fender liner. Don't forget to remove your bungee cord or whatever you use to secure the fender liner. Reinstall the fender liner. Make sure that each tab goes underneath the bumper. And we'll reinstall our clips. We'll reinstall our 10mm screw.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.